Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn about compact if in Python programming, also called single line if-else statements. So what's compact if? In your if block or in your else block, if block has only one statement, you can write the condition and the result on the same line. So what does it mean? Here, for example, in our previous code, you see just one statement. Inside my if block, I have only just one statement. So here I take my code on the same line. You see, I take my code to the same line too. In else block, I can take it too. If I run it, you see, for example, I enter a number, it's 5, the number is positive. I run it and I type 0, you see the number is 0. And I run, I type -5. You see, my code works. It's super, it's nothing changed. So, for doing this, for using single line if-else statement, each condition has only one line of code. If one more, if you have 2 statements, 3 statements, you cannot do that. But if you have just only one line of code, in if block, in else, in elif block, you can use single line if-else statements by doing this. This is called a compact if structure. Okay, super. See you in the next lesson.